Good morning, friends of Barbara Campbell. Good morning. We're coming to you live from my design studio here in Crown Heights, Brooklyn, New York. It's a beautiful day. I hope you're making it count. I hope you're making it matter. Now, let me tell you, I'm looking outside my window. It feels a little cold, but you know what? I always say push, push, push forward to make things happen. I'm so excited to be back on my schedule. So today is Tuesday, so beauty tips with Barbara Campbell here today on the show, Barbara Campbell Beauty Live. You're going to want to hear some of the beauty tips that I have prepared for you to try on your beauty routine. Now, ladies, number one step that I talk about is exfoliating your skin in the AM and PM. And how you do that? With BC Sugar Scrub. I've been talking about it all this week, so check out my Instagram page, Barbara Campbell NYC. I look forward to hearing from you, and I'll see you later on the next minute on Brooklyn Beauty Television, BBTV. All right, everybody. Thank you for listening. Tell a friend, and I appreciate all the support. Let me get going. Let me grab a cup of coffee, come back and do a show. I am in the studio today, so tune in. All right, everybody. Bye-bye. Leave me a comment below. How you doing? How's your day going? Did you get your 5 minutes to send started? Your stillness coming together. Enjoy that train ride to work. And when you get to your desk, you take that 5 minutes to get it all together before you start your day. All right, everybody. Bye. Till then, you count, you matter. Love ya.